Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into birdhouse design ideas for your backyard. Let's explore some creative and practical designs that will not only add charm but also functionality to your outdoor space. Let's get started. This birdhouse design is truly charming. I love the painted floral details on the sides, adding a vibrant natural touch that blends beautifully with the surroundings. The blue roof provides a striking contrast and adds a pop of color, making it stand out against the tree bark. The slanted roof design is practical, ensuring rainwater runs off easily, keeping the interior dry for the birds. The entrance hole is perfectly sized for small birds, providing a safe, cozy nesting spot. If I were to change anything, I might add a small perch below the entrance to give the birds a spot to land before entering. Overall, it's a delightful addition to any backyard. This birdhouse design is truly charming. I love the painted floral details on the sides, adding a vibrant, natural touch that blends beautifully with the surroundings. The blue roof provides a striking contrast and adds a pop of color, making it stand out against the tree bark. The slanted roof design is practical, ensuring rainwater runs off easily, keeping the interior dry for the birds. The entrance hole is perfectly sized for small birds, providing a safe, cozy nesting spot. If I were to change anything, I might add a small perch below the entrance to give the birds a spot to land before entering. Overall, it's a delightful addition to any backyard. This birdhouse has such a quaint cottage-like charm. I love the minimalist design with the soft white paint and simple window and door details. The little heart on the door adds a lovely touch of warmth. The natural wood roof contrasts nicely with the white, creating a cozy, inviting look. Functionally, the sturdy construction and hanging rope make it practical for various locations. However, I'd consider adding a small perch under the entrance to make it easier for birds to land. Additionally, a weatherproof sealant would help protect the wood from the elements, ensuring it lasts longer. Overall, it's a beautifully designed birdhouse that adds character to the backyard. I'm really drawn to the modern, abstract design of this birdhouse. The geometric shapes and contrasting colors give it a unique, artistic look that stands out. The use of natural wood tones alongside the bold blue creates a striking visual effect. I appreciate the flat roof design, which is both stylish and functional, providing adequate protection from the rain. The placement of the entrance hole is ideal for small birds, ensuring a cozy nesting space. If I were to enhance this design, I'd add a small drainage hole at the bottom to prevent water accumulation. Overall, it's a contemporary piece that adds a touch of modern art to the backyard. I absolutely adore the rustic, whimsical charm of this birdhouse. The use of natural elements like the driftwood roof and stone base gives it a fairy tale cottage feel. The intricate details, such as the tiny well and fence, add a delightful miniature garden effect. The roof design is not only visually appealing but also practical, providing excellent weather protection. The warm wood tones blend beautifully with the natural surroundings, creating a harmonious look. If I were to improve it, I might add a small perch for the birds to land on. Additionally, ensuring the materials are treated for durability against the elements would be beneficial. Overall, it's a captivating addition to any backyard. This birdhouse captures a beautiful, natural aesthetic with its carved leaf details and bark-like texture. I love the earthy tones and the vertical design, which adds a unique touch to the backyard. The green and brown colors blend seamlessly with the surrounding foliage, making it feel like an extension of nature. The square entrance hole is a nice variation from the typical round ones, adding a modern twist. However, I'd prefer a more prominent roof overhang to provide better protection from the elements. Additionally, a small perch beneath the entrance would make it easier for birds to land. Overall, it's a lovely and functional birdhouse that enhances the garden's natural beauty. This birdhouse is an architectural masterpiece. I'm impressed by the multi-level design and the intricate use of various wood textures and colors. It feels like a modern bird mansion, offering multiple nesting spots and ample space for birds to explore. The geometric shapes and open sections create an interesting visual dynamic that's both artistic and functional. Each level seems thoughtfully crafted, providing shelter and shade from different angles. However, I'd add a few more sheltered areas to protect against harsh weather conditions. Ensuring that the structure is stable and secure is crucial, given its height and complexity. Overall, it's a stunning and innovative addition to any backyard, sure to attract a variety of birds. I love the rustic simplicity of this birdhouse, combined with the eye-catching circular pattern around the entrance. The wood's natural finish gives it a warm, earthy feel, which is enhanced by the subtle branch perch below the entrance. The decorative circles add a pop of color and artistic flair without overpowering the natural beauty of the wood. Functionally, the size of the entrance hole is ideal for small birds, providing a cozy nesting space. If I were to enhance this design, I'd apply a weatherproof sealant to protect the wood from the elements and ensure its longevity. Overall, it's a charming and functional piece that adds a touch of artistry to the backyard. I'm enchanted by this birdhouse with its whimsical mushroom design. The hand-painted mushrooms add a delightful fairy tale touch, making it a standout piece in the garden. The white background highlights the vibrant colors of the mushrooms, creating a lovely contrast. The simple wood roof and base complement the design without distracting from the artwork. The small perch is a practical addition, making it easy for birds to land and enter. To improve it, I'd ensure the paint used is weather resistant to maintain its charm over time. Additionally, a slight overhang on the roof would offer better protection from rain. Overall, it's a charming and imaginative addition to any backyard. I love how this birdhouse is integrated into the beautifully designed garden space. The wooden fence backdrop provides a natural, rustic setting that complements the birdhouse's design. The greenery and rocks create a serene, zen-like environment, making it a perfect spot for birdwatching. The placement of the birdhouse at a moderate height is practical, ensuring it's safe from predators while still being visible. The added solar lights are a thoughtful touch, illuminating the area at night and adding a magical glow. To enhance this setup, I'd consider adding a few more bird-friendly plants to attract a variety of species. Overall, it's a harmonious and inviting space for both birds and nature lovers. This birdhouse looks absolutely stunning nestled among the blooming flowers. I love the simplicity of the design, with its classic shape and natural wood finish that harmonizes beautifully with the delicate blossoms. The placement within the tree branches provides a safe, elevated spot for birds, blending seamlessly into the natural surroundings. The small perch is a practical addition, making it easy for birds to land. To improve it, I'd ensure the birdhouse is securely attached to prevent it from swaying in the wind. Additionally, a slight overhang on the roof would offer better protection from rain. Overall, it's a picturesque and functional addition that enhances the beauty of the garden. I'm absolutely charmed by this playful and creative birdhouse design. The hatchery theme with its vintage vending machine look is both unique and whimsical. The details, like the insert bird sign and the little compartments, add a fun, imaginative touch that's sure to be a conversation starter. The wood finish and metal accents give it a rustic yet quirky feel. Functionally, the entrance hole is well placed, and the overall structure seems sturdy. To enhance it, I'd ensure all paint and materials are weather resistant to maintain its vibrant appearance. Adding a small overhang or awning could also help protect the entrance from rain. Overall, it's a delightful and functional addition to any backyard, sparking both joy and curiosity. I love the whimsical and colorful design of these birdhouses arranged on a chandelier frame. The bright, bold colors add a cheerful touch to the garden, making it a focal point. Each birdhouse is uniquely painted, creating a fun, eclectic look. The chandelier structure not only looks fantastic, but also provides multiple nesting spots for birds, making it both decorative and functional. The height placement is great for visibility and bird safety. To improve it, I'd ensure the paint is weatherproof to maintain its vibrancy over time. Additionally, a small perch on each birdhouse would make it easier for birds to enter. Overall, it's a creative and delightful addition to any backyard. I adore the vibrant turquoise color of this birdhouse, which adds a lively pop to the garden. The mosaic design on the side is stunning, giving it a unique and artistic touch. The little bird figurines perched on the house add a charming, playful element that I find delightful. Functionally, the slanted roof provides good protection from the rain, and the entrance hole is well placed for small birds. To enhance this design, I'd suggest using weather-resistant materials to ensure durability. Adding a small perch below the entrance would also be beneficial for birds. Overall, it's a beautifully artistic and functional birdhouse that brings a cheerful vibe to the backyard. I'm captivated by the unique drum-like design of this birdhouse. The natural wood finish gives it a rustic, earthy feel, while the red rope detailing adds a striking and creative touch. The circular shape and the laced edges make it stand out as an artistic piece. The small perch is a practical addition, making it easy for birds to land and enter. However, I'd ensure the materials are weatherproof to withstand the elements, and maybe add a slight overhang to protect the entrance from rain. This birdhouse not only serves as a functional nesting spot, but also as an eye-catching piece of garden art that adds character to the space. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed exploring these creative and functional birdhouse designs with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring ideas for your backyard. See you in the next video, and happy bird watching!